Hey guys, hello there, welcome.
एक्सक्यूज मी हे गाइस हेलो। आज मैं इंट्रोडक्शन दूंगी आप लोगों को। सो वी आर गोइंग टू डू क्या करने जा रहे हैं?
Some skincare today.
Skincare today.
Sunday skincare. So let's get started. My face, I use this tool. So what I do is, rather than dipping my face in eyes, which is a very hectic task every day, I just put it in refrigerator and rub it all over my face like every day. Even I try to do it during winters, but in winters instead of keeping it in freezer, I keep it in fridge, like the lower section, so that it's not that cold.
हे गाइस, सॉरी ये गाइस तो हो चुका है ना। तो अब हम कर रहे हैं पेडिक्योर।
Yes.
एज यू कैन सी कि हमने बाल्टी में पैर डाले हुए हैं और मैं मनप्रीत के भरोसे कर रही हूँ जो भी कर रही हूँ। सो स्टे ट्यून फॉर द रिजल्ट्स।
On. Hey guys, so, till the time our legs are there inside the water, we would be like applying hair mask to our hair. So this is the mask. It looks tad bit gross, but it works for hairs. Like it does wonders to it. So if anyone want that recipe, please do let us know. We'd really put a
अंग्रेजी
video
बाबू
for
भैया।
this. Let's after parting the hairs, just apply it in a way you'd apply a very fancy cream or a keratin alternate.
तो इससे अब हमारे बाल चमक जाएंगे। गाइस बाल इतने चमक जाएंगे कि इससे लाइट आएगी। तो आप मेरे घर में कभी अंधेरा देखें तो टेंशन ना लें, मैं इन बालों से लाइट जला दूंगी।
After this, we applied this blue mask on our face. After bathing, we look so beautiful and pretty.
अपनी तारीफ कर रही है भाई ये।
Then we were a lot hungry after this all skincare and hair care, body care. We decided to cook dinner. This is what we cooked for our dinner. This is theka paneer.
पनीर थिका।
Paneer
Thekcha.
thekcha. It's something special like in Mumbai or Maharashtra. So Soumya made this today, and she also made some lachha parathas for herself. I'll just have paneer. So yeah. I first cleaned my wardrobe completely, organized everything. Then I came on this side of my, like you can say it as my vanity, because I keep everything, my makeup, skincare, everything on this side. And it was so decluttered, like it was so cluttered. I had to declutter it. I do it like every week, because in week I just destroy the whole vanity. So clutcher यहाँ है वो यहाँ है. So I took that clutcher, kept it in my hair accessories section where I keep all the hair accessories. Then arranged everything: nail paints, rollers, sunscreen, what perfumes, like everything. I just distraught it in a week, and I have to like arrange it once a week every time. Because if I don't do that, my whole weeks goes in a very haphazard way, very like unclean way. After cleaning it, it was looking so nice, and I was so proud of myself. I even clean my table. This is my laptop, both of my laptops, office as well as my personal. And then I decided to do some room cleaning, so I started with jhadu pocha. And after doing all the mopping and everything, I decided to fill water in the tub. Yeah, we don't have like aquaguard here, so we buy this water from the local market. Then fill all the water bottles. बारिश थी तो कपड़े बाहर से उतारे थे, एंड देन उनको ठपा, ऑर्गेनाइज करा, चादर बिछाई, which was another a very big task. Post this, the room was looking so like neat and clean. I was so happy. In 1 BHK आप ज़्यादा clean नहीं कर सकते because there is no space there, but at max whatever can clean. So hey everyone, clean the room, clean everything that way. Just reorganized the whole room. Now I'll put in the room so that it could like smell nice also for some time. I'm a person who is like very much about smell, so I even keep this odonil in my room in front of the AC so that the smell can like effervesce in the whole room. So I am that person. candles, incense sticks, everything, everywhere. I just keep them with me all the time so that nothing smells bad. So, yeah, I thought to study some LLM or something today because there were so many new articles on data science and I needed to catch up with them. But as now it's like very late and I need to sleep for me to wake up tomorrow for my office, I'll just read my favorite J.K. Rowling, Harry Potter, and this is the bookmark which I use. This is a friend's bookmark. If you know me, you know me that I love Friends, I love Harry Potter. So I'll just read it for a while, for half an hour, then I'll go to sleep. So please, guys, please do like, follow, share, and subscribe. And please, please, please do follow. Like if you, even if you are watching for like a minute, please do follow. Okay, then bye bye to those.